Welcome to today's exploration of first impressions, a topic we may think about often but may not fully understand. Did you know that people form lasting opinions about others in just seconds? In fact, it can happen in as little as 7 seconds or even less. In this episode, we'll uncover why our brains make these instant judgments, how we can use this knowledge to create positive impressions, and ways to turn things around if that first meeting didn't go as planned. So let's take a closer look at the science of first impressions, how quickly we judge others and why. Imagine meeting someone new. You notice their smile, their posture, maybe their tone of voice. And in a flash, your brain has drawn a conclusion. This phenomenon is known as thin slicing. It describes how we make quick judgments based on small pieces of information. But why do we do this? It may be rooted in our evolutionary history. Quick assessments were essential for survival. Today, we notice warmth and competence first. We want to know if someone is friendly and capable. So, if we only have a few seconds to make an impression, how can we make sure it's a positive one? Focus on non-verbal communication, appearance and tone. Body language conveys more than words. Open posture, eye contact and a smile signal friendliness. Appearance influences perceptions of professionalism. Speak clearly and show genuine interest. Little cues like nodding show engagement. These elements help make a positive first impression. But what happens if the first impression doesn't go as planned? Sometimes nerves get the best of us, or maybe something about the situation just felt off. Is it possible to recover from a less than ideal start? The answer is yes, and one effective approach is acknowledgement. If appropriate, try to reset the tone with a light-hearted or honest remark. For example, saying something like, "I think I fumbled a bit there, let's start fresh," can break the ice and help ease any tension. Another powerful tool is consistency. Repeated positive interactions over time can reshape first impressions. So, if there's a chance to interact again, showing up as friendly, genuine and consistent can eventually replace that initial impression. And finally, revisiting our body language can help convey sincerity. Small shifts, like maintaining eye contact or showing open body language, can reinforce warmth and confidence, helping to gradually reshape the other person's perception. So while first impressions are powerful, they're not always permanent. We're not just trying to make good impressions, we're constantly forming them too. Our brains make instant assessments influenced by our experiences and biases. Self-reflection helps check our biases. Ask yourself, why did I feel a certain way? Am I making unfair assumptions? Practice delayed judgment. Everyone has multiple layers. Stay open to revising initial impressions. So what can we take away from all of this? First impressions are powerful but not always accurate. Self-awareness and communication can shape positive interactions if it doesn't go perfectly. There are ways to turn things around. Next time, try one of these ideas. Be mindful of your body language or show genuine interest in others. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Thank you for joining today's journey. Until next time, take care.